Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Apple Music app crashing issue on iPhone iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and restarting your iPhone, and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying the solution number 2. Solution number 2 is delete and reinstall music app. Select app music which you want to delete and reinstall app again to App Store, and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check your iPhone story. Firstly, tap on setting app, scroll up, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage. So I have lot of storage available on my phone and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all setting. Firstly, tap on setting app, scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, reset all settings. This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted, and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is update your iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app, you can see appears on screen, scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update. If update is available, download and install the update, and problem is fixed. How to fix Apple Music app crashing issue on iPhone iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.